Hey guys, I went and did a trip today at CVS because some of my coupons were expiring. So I wanted to show you the deals I did. This is the first one. I got 2 of the Revlon. Everybody should be getting the buy one, get one free on Revlon, Almay, and L'Oreal. So I had a paper one, and I did not know that I had one clipped to my account from last week as well. So I had 2 clipped, and I was expecting just one to come off, but they both came off. So that was really unexpected. And then I did the deal where you buy 3 and they're 3 for $3.33, and then I had a 2 off a 2 CRT. So for everything there, I only paid $1, and I used no ECBs or anything. I just used the buy one, get one free, and I had a 6 off a 20 Revlon coupon, but I guess it kicked it out for some reason and just did 2 buy one, get ones. So that was really weird. I don't know what happened. I never usually get that lucky at CVS. I've seen where people, that's happened to them before. So I was really happy about that. So I got an $8 ECB for buying 2 Revlon. And then I got also a $3 beauty buck. So I decided to go ahead and do the laundry deal. I did not get the 10 off of 40 like everybody else. I only got the 3 off of 12, but that's okay because these are items I really wanted. Like the Big Tide, this is the 100 ounce. This is on sale for $11.94, and we have a, let me see, we had a $3 coupon. Yes, a $3 one for that. And on these Big Tides, I keep them for myself. I don't sell these. So I'm really happy I got that. And also, I like to keep these for myself too. I've learned that these and Bounty are my favorite paper towels. So I try to keep them. And this was on sale for $7.99, and we only had a 50-cent coupon. I got the Tide Pods, which are on sale for $4.94. with a $2 digital. I wanted to get the Gain Flings, but they didn't have any more, so I had to substitute with something else. So I got the Bounce, which is $4.94, and there's only a $1 digital, and they could not get it to come off. They tried everything, and I asked them if they could just print me a $1 ECB, because that's what they normally do, and the lady said, well, no, because the coupon is still on there. I'm like, yeah, it's still on my account because it won't attach to this product. So I'll just call customer service in 3 days when they're able to see our receipt. It takes a couple days for them to be able to see it, but they'll adjust it for me. So that was like $29.84, and I wanted to do the spend 30, get a $10 cash card. So I rolled my extra care bucks in from getting the Revlon and the beauty deal. So everything came off perfect. The $3 for the Big Tide, the $2 for the Pods, the 50-cent for the Viva. Then I had the 3 off of 12 laundry. And then here is my ECBs. That's the $8 ECB I got from the Revlon, and then 3 from Beauty Club. And then my total came to it came to 11, and then I used a $5 gift card when I got from Fetch. I'm absolutely loving Fetch, you guys. Let me tell you about that in a minute. But so I paid a total of $6.16 out of pocket, and then I got my $10 cash card. So I love getting the cash card because you can use it on any account. It doesn't have to be attached to this one. So if I wanted to do the household deal again on my husband's store card, I'd be able to use this. That's a great thing about the cash card. Or I could find some Christmas presents and, use that. However, I am just tickled that I got all that for $6 and all that for $1. But I just want to show you guys, this is what the Fetch gift cards look like from CVS. I have absolutely been loving Fetch. On Sunday, there was a promotion where if you referred friends and family, they gave you like 3,000 or 4,000 points. So I referred everybody in my immediate family. So my husband, my kids, my sister, my both of my daughters and my husband's, because everybody has a cell phone. So, and I got like 8,000 points. No, 10,000. So I cashed out one $5 gift card for this deal, and I'm going to cash out another 5,000 when I do the household deal again.
Thank you guys for watching. See you on Saturday.